Hi, I'm Danny Reeves with First of the Future TV here at CES 2019, and I'm standing with Muli from Home BioGas. Thank you so much for chatting with us today.
Yeah, you're more than welcome.
We've got something really exciting behind us, actually, and this is a biodigestible system. Did I say that right?
Yeah, definitely.
Why don't you give us an explanation of what this machine actually does?
Okay, so what you guys see here is it's a biodigester. It's like a composter, a small scale that actually is feeding households, families, and little farms in the developing countries and in developed countries as well. And it's really simple to take care of that. So normally you put all the waste, whether it's food waste or even animal manure, in the inlet here, as you do. And here you have a digester full with bacteria, and in anaerobic process it turns all the waste into biogas, which is primarily methane. The biogas is stored here, and from here it goes all the way to the kitchen into your stove. So normally you get from your waste ability to cook on clean energy and in a very good and very sufficient way.
Now you said that this provides up to 2 hours worth of gas for your cooking stove.
Yeah, this is pretty amazing, yeah, because it's pretty much effective. So every kilo of food waste eventually will turn into 1 hour of cooking gas.
Oh, wow.
So it will really replace most of the cooking energy of a family needs.
Why do you think that humans need this? Why do we need this in our life?
When we look at two different aspects of the world, so people in America and Australia, again, this system can really help to lower the amount of waste that goes into the landfill, and we're talking about different effects on the climate change and stuff like that, treating on-site and using more and more renewable energy than other fossil fuel and things like that. In the developing countries, places like Africa and some other, it's even more crucial and even like changing life, because those families are still cooking on charcoal and use woods for making food. And with home biogas and similar product like that, they can shift into clean cooking, which is like much more healthy to them and to the family, and more that save money on cooking energy to be able to do more educational stuff and other things that for their well-being.
This is really going to change the world, I have a feeling.
In a way, step by step, yeah, we can be part of that impact of another dimension of renewable energy, like biogas, in a small scale, definitely.
So you said small scale, so this is your small scale. Now I know that this is not out on the market quite yet, correct?
It is.
Oh, it is?
It is in the market. We've been selling it over the last year around 5,000 systems, spread into like something like 80 different countries.
Wow.
And yeah, it's still the beginning. We are aiming much bigger, but yeah, eventually.
What is bigger? What do you see for the future then?
I'm looking at that strip of the tropic and subtropic areas, because the system need a hot climate in order to produce an effective way of energy. So in that strip, you have, let's say, approximately 1 billion families. That's how big I'm thinking about, because I don't see a reason why any family with a backyard would not have biogas systems in the backyard and basically treating waste, turning it into some kind of like clean energy in their own backyard. Seems like a dream that should be like the solar panels phenomenon.
Yeah, well, I definitely see this dream coming true for sure, but you don't even need a backyard, do you? Can you put something like this in a garage or maybe like a...
Yeah, you need it to be outside.
Oh, it does need to be outside.
Also, yeah, from safety issues as well. And you also need the direct sun to heat it and really make it warm. So yeah, backyard is needed, at least for now, the future.
What are you retailing these? What's the retail value for this?
We price it for around $600 for the Western world, yeah. And the target...
That is pretty affordable.
It is affordable.
For changing the world, getting onto the new track, $600 is really nothing to make your own footprint.
Yeah, I totally agree with you. It's an affordable price.
Well, I love this. And so we just fill this up. How long does it take to produce the gas that we need?
Yeah, beside an activation that takes time once, you need to wait 3 weeks until you get the first flame.
Okay.
Since then, it's an ongoing. Every day, the bacteria will decompose the waste that comes in, and gas will be generated, and you will use it. It's kind of like an ongoing cycle that goes for many years.
So every day I can throw my compost in there,
Yeah.
and it just continues to work for me throughout
That's
the day.
the idea.
I love it. Thank you so much. This is a really incredible product.
Thank you.
You saw it right here on First to the Future TV, CES 2019.